Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are ready to adventure, then you need to get one of these paddle boards from AISUNSS.
I have always loved being out on the lake, so getting this paddleboard has made my life so wonderful. It's wide enough for great balance, and it comes with everything that you need: a pump, paddle, leash, backpack, even a repair kit, so you are ready to hit the water right away. It feels so stable, even if you're a beginner like myself. I love the three fin design, and I really think that is perfect for someone who is just starting out on paddle boards. Like myself, it has been the best thing. I have been out on the ocean, the lake. I even got my pup on it for a few minutes. I have just loved this amazing paddleboard. I think it is the most perfect, durable, lightweight, fun board.
I'm completely addicted to being on this board every single day. I couldn't recommend it more highly, and that's my point of view.